Awesome! Hey guys!
Hi, we're gonna try vlogging. We have an amazing trip coming up.
You're so... We can't hear you.
We have an amazing trip coming up. Stay tuned.
Guess where we're going?
Just guess.
We're not gonna let you know till we get there. Hello.
We're here.
But I'm just going to walk into this thing. Wait. I literally almost walked into that.
I feel like we're walking
And
the other
there's a
way, the
swarm of
opposite
people.
way.
But we almost got like swarmed.
Oh god.
I want to be in it. Hi.
No, he's sick.
So we're just walking right now.
Yeah, wait. I want to show you guys. It's kind of cool.
Why are you doing it like that?
No, I like what's up there, you know? And
Why you
that's our
just-
brother. No.
Ooh.
Where did
So-
you kick him?
Yeah.
We look so like first timers.
I know,
even
people
though
are
we've
like
been
staring at
traveling
us.
since
It's kind of
World War
funny.
II.
It's like the first time we've been traveling together in a long time.
Yeah.
Right. And like only us, because normally you go with like mama or something. Or I never went with all of you guys actually together. Pray? Oh yeah, me too, Austin. We gotta pray.
You didn't pray also?
Yeah.
What time was also? What time was like
4:50 or something. We were like rushing, like I literally was so frantically like looking for stuff.
I feel like I forgot so many things at home. It's not even funny.
But don't laugh at him. Are we even lost?
I think we're
We're just kind of walking.
Going. Yeah.
No.
This is a
We'll
huge
find our way.
airport, honestly.
No, oh my god. The China airport, totally. Oh my god, it's literally like 100 gates, I swear. I swear.
gates?
But
I
the
heard
amount
the
of
one-
gates I saw,
The
I
one
was
in
like,
Turkey was
oh
like the
my
biggest
God.
one. The
Turkey?
Turkish airport is
Are you
huge,
serious?
bro.
How about China? Like China was
Everyone's just congested.
Oh, that one's always. We had to walk to our terminal. We had only an
There's
hour.
kind of a lot of
It took
people
us an hour
today.
to walk there.
It's summer, so I guess that's why.
With you guys, like I don't even pay attention to where we're going because I know you guys got my back. Like,
But we'll end up getting lost
No,
in the
It's a
end.
nice place actually.
Ooh.
I always get food from this place.
It's gonna take us like an hour to get there, so stay tuned. We're just jaywalking through the streets of London.
What?
like sometimes people go.
I know, right?
Smile.
how many hours later? A lot of hours. And I look at this. Like, this is like really sad. We need some rest.
I do too, bro.
I know we all do. I'm trying to knock out in this flight. I think it's like 5 hours.
to each other. Finally, like we were sitting next to complete strangers.
What? Anyway, yeah, so stay in London was a little hectic, as you can see. Yeah, the trains were having issues, so we didn't even go into London City. We went to Paddington, and because we were kind of scared we were gonna miss our flight, like, okay, let's just go to we just wanted to go to Nando's, like our brother really wanted to go to Nando's, so good. We actually ended up going there.
Cabin crew place doors to automatic.
My headphones on, listen to some The Weeknd. You know, I'm scared of you guys. Let me tell you guys my fear. Like, I don't like takeoff and landing. Don't talk about it when we're in the plane. I have to talk about it, okay?
You can't talk about it when we're in the plane.
Especially you're making smaller planes. It's like
you're gonna
so much harder.
Bro, that's why you say
I know, I do. Yes, I'm gonna pray. But let me tell you guys, I get like anxiety from like takeoff. But landing, not so much. Actually, landing has gotten better with me. But like takeoff,
Mine would be the other way around, because you know when you're like landing, you're not sure like if the tires are gonna actually end up going on the ground, and then that is scarier. Yeah, I feel like that's scarier. How is that? How is
because
landing?
I'm getting closer to land, and I know land, but going up, I'm going into the air, and I'm like, what's gonna happen? You know what I mean? But then, you know, once you start going,
ladies and gentlemen, we're about to interrupt the Highland entertainment to brief you on the safety procedures of this aircraft. We ask that you remove your
we
personal
probably
phones until
should
the end of the
turn
video.
this off.
Yeah, we're
All
about
handheld
to.
devices, including mobile phones, must
Well,
now be
they
in
said
flight safe
mobile
mode or
phones
switched
have
off
to
and
be
held securely and have placed in
Oh, I
your
wanted to
pocket.
listen to the weekend.
That's from the seat power when not in use.
Airplane mode. Bye bye.
If you're sitting in a front row seat, an emergency exit row, or an upper comfort cabin, all video screens
I'm doing the
position after
Yes,
safety reset.
we need to know all of that.